Hi everyone, this is just a quick introductory video to tell you about a new collab that we are doing together. It's called Embellishments on the 11th. There are 10 of us, including me. One of them will start in February, so 9 in January and 10 in February. 9 will be posting on YouTube and 1 on Instagram/Facebook in my Facebook group only. I will insert list of all the people in the video now. And then I will also link them in the description box below. Please be sure you are following these individuals, that you're subscribed, and that you click their notification bell twice to get all their notifications. And that way you'll be sure not to miss this. We are going to post at noon Eastern on the 11th each month in 2020. And the intent of this is to use all those odds and ends you have in your craft stash, like paper and ribbon and washi and flowers and buttons and wood pieces and stickers and fabric and whatever you want or have to make embellishments. And there's no theme each month. Now, that said, I for myself had to come up with what I wanted to make each month, so I had some idea. And I have it filled in all except for June. I haven't figured out June yet. But so I'm not going to tell you what it is, because everybody else is not going to be following that. Some might do Christmas all year long. Some might prefer Halloween. Some might just do flowers every month. Some might do, I don't know, journal, cover pieces, or whatever. Tags, embellished tags. I don't know. So I'm going to be really thrilled to see what everyone makes in this collaboration. I do hope you'll come back and join us all on the 11th at noon to see what we've all made. And yeah, let's make this a crafty New Year 2020, the year of crafting with what you have in your craft area or craft room. Okay? Talk to you soon. Hugs, love, and peace.